Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm sitting here with a whole bag of 3D printer parts. During that pause, you assumed these parts came from eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress, didn't you? Well, you'd be wrong. All of these parts came from a 3D printing shop you've probably never heard of. MakerParts 3D. I'm assuming you've never heard of MakerParts 3D. I never had either, until I got an email asking if I'd be willing to check out their shop and maybe mention it on the channel. Of course, I found this quite interesting because us 3D printer users have very few options when it comes to buying parts. And should we be unable to find a part, there aren't a whole lot of places to go. That being said, when MakerParts 3D slid into my inbox with a very friendly email, I was more than happy to check out their store. MakerParts set me up with a small budget, and I got to shopping. Inside this bag is everything I ordered. As you can see, I have not opened it. We will open it together. But first, let's pop over to MakerParts 3D and have a quick look at their online store. Here I am on the MakerParts website, makerparts3d.com. Don't miss the 10% off button in the corner. Fill out your information to save 10%. Also take note, free shipping over $50. Let's have a quick look at the site. Here in the menu, you'll see products, categories, filaments, new arrivals, sale, and resources. Most of your time would be spent inside categories. Many of those categories are also right here. Here on the hot end page, you'll find hot ends for Bambu printers, Qidi printers, Prusa printers, Elegoo printers, Anycubic printers, Creality printers, and more. While this screen can be somewhat intimidating and cumbersome, you can break it down further by going right here and pulling down compatibility. You can go ahead and choose the printer you're looking for, such as the Bambu Lab X1C. This will sort the available hot-end parts for the X1C. Here under Brand, you can break it down by manufacturer. Here under Extruders and Parts is a good variety of fans, couplers, Bowden tubes, gears, extruders, filament cutters, and more. Most accessories I was able to think of I could find somewhere within this extruder parts section. Of course, if you can't quite find something, you can type into the search right here and look for it. MakerParts also has a fairly extensive bed collection. Here, under Bed and Adhesion, you can see a laundry list of different available bed types, including the very popular blue print beds from my friends at BQ. You will also notice a couple of random items in this category, such as the newer version of the Bambu Lab noise dampening feet, FEP for resin printers, old school glass bed clamps, Creality's CR Touch, higher end bed clamps, G sensors, and more. I find the filament market to be highly aggressive, and many of you are going to have your favorite brand and source for that brand already. Therefore, I didn't take a terribly close look at their filament or their filament pricing, but if you are looking to hit that $50 range or you enjoy supporting this company, they do have a wide range of filaments, and their pricing at a glance does look to be fairly competitive. The products category is the Wild West of MakerParts. It dumps you into 13 plus pages of products covering everything the store has. You are better off breaking things down by categories or searching than entering the products category. Speaking of categories, they do have an electronics category. Inside the electronics category, you will find all sorts of interesting things, such as BQ's Panda Lux update, cooling fans, LED lights for things such as Maker World projects, curing lights, Bambu hot end parts, Big Tree Tech's Panda Touch, and an assortment of other various heaters, thermostats, fans, cameras, lights, and more. You will see right here, this is the camera kit for the Flash Forge Adventure 5M and 5M Pro. It's great to see that they have a variety of brands, not just Creality and Bambu, but also Flash Forge, Prusa, Anycubic, and more. I poked around the website, picked a variety of items, and sent my order off to Maker Parts. That package is here with me today. Let's go ahead and open it up. Having placed my order, a few days later, this bag of stuff showed up, and I've been waiting very patiently to open it. What we've got here is just a very plain packing bag. And here are the print beds. This one is in an individual bubble envelope. I know from my own shop that these large envelopes are rather expensive and good on them for using one. I'm also a big fan of the branding sticker. This one, of course, being the Glacier we ordered, and it does come with an information sheet. Very nice. Everything looks legit for this print bed. I've got a packing sheet. This is my whole order. So it looks like they did open the packaging for the print bed, stick this sheet in here, and then hide a few other accessories. I guess this was to help the packing remain as little as possible. However, it's possible their BQ print beds come separate and are not packed in this individual cardboard, and they themselves did this, in which case, that's pretty great. This is certainly an authentic Creality part. We've got some bubble wrap here and 2 more boxes. So they are very sticker happy. I do like that. I have a lot of parts and accessories here, and sometimes the brand themselves puts no branding on the part, and I can't even remember what it is. For example, I have actual print beds with no branding, and I have no way of identifying who made them or who sent them. Having branding on your products or packaging is so important, especially when working with a content creator. Here we've got a Creality 0.6 millimeter Unicorn Quick Swap K2 Plus nozzle, Bambu Lab light kit, bed clamps. Here we've got more bed clamps. This hot end. No labeling on the box, no labeling on the bag. I can compare the photo to identify this as a K1 hot end. One more box. Also take note, the box says Maker Part 3D all over it. So they definitely want you to know who they are. Another bag, another box, another bag, another bag. Every single bag with a sticker on it. Guys, how much are you spending on these stickers? Whatever it is, it's worth it. I really enjoy going through all these parts and seeing your brand and logo on every single bag. It really makes me feel like I'm interacting with your shop and your company, as opposed to a box of random accessories and blank envelopes. I have done that before, and this is really nice. Keep it up. Let's see what we've got. Inside we've got the Unicorn nozzle kit. We've got 3 individual Unicorn nozzles. The tubes don't state the size of the nozzles. This is a 1, 0.6, 0.8. I was able to find photos of the complete nozzle kit with all 3 of these nozzles in it, each one individually packed, and I was able to find photos of them out of the box, and they were in fact in this unmarked tube. It does look like we have official K1 and K2 nozzles. Bambu Lab rubber feet. This is an interesting one, as I famously tore the living hell out of the original Bambu Lab feet. They were absolute garbage, and I was very clear about that in my video. I did feel somewhat guilty. I don't like doing that kind of thing. Those who follow me know I do not make negative content, and I do not do traditional reviews. However, I was very clear that the feet sucked and I didn't recommend using them. Bambu quickly pulled them from the shelves, redesigned them, and put out these feet. I have never used them before. They do look drastically different, and plenty of people have told me they are better. I can tell you just from feeling them, they are much firmer than the original ones. The printer used to flop all over the place on the original ones. I've got 2 sets of these. These certainly appear to be OEM Bambu Lab printer feet. Inside here, we've got 2 carbon filters. Bambu has no branding on these filters. In my opinion, that is a mistake. However, they look and feel exactly like the originals, and I'm certain that they are. My K2 nozzle came in the box with thermal grease. My K1 nozzles did not. Something to keep in mind. However, you should have a quality thermal grease available in your print shop. That's my entire order. Everything came in as expected and well packed. Having said that, that means MakerPart 3D is a legit source for 3D printer parts, and they do in fact ship what you order. I'm pleased to say MakerPart 3D does appear to be the real thing, and you might want to consider keeping it open as an additional option to source your 3D printer parts. I'm Mr. Greg. This is my order from MakerParts 3D, and you're on 3D Rundown.